How to learn English language on Duolingo online. So if you want to learn English language on Duolingo, then first let's open up the Duolingo application. So here I have already logged into my account and I already have a language to learn. But if you want to add English, then you can simply go for your courses, which is on the upper left. And here you can tap on add course. So this is the interface that you will have after installing the application. So if you want to learn English, then first let me tell you one thing, that if you are already an English user, or if you are already in a English language speaking country, then you won't have an option of English here because your Duolingo is already in English language. So what you can do is simply scroll down, and here you can go for more, which is on the bottom last option, and under more you can scroll down, and here you will have Arabic or something, right? So here on the first option you will have this English option. So if you tap on that English and if you tap on continue, then what it will do is it will translate Arabic to English. So that's how it works. Or if you scroll down again, here also you will have English, right? And here also you will have English. And here if you scroll down, here also you will have English, right? So if you tap on this English, then it will translate you English from France, or the particular language that is. So you can only learn English if you are not an English speaking person, or if you are in a non-English speaking country. So like that you can scroll down, and here you will have Hindi, right? So you can choose this English and it will translate you, or it will teach you English with the help of Hindi. So you can simply learn English with Hindi. So if you tap on continue, then here this will change the app interface to Hindi. So you need to have at least one language that is not English, so that you can choose that language as your app's interface, and then you can learn English with that. So that's how you can learn English language on your Duolingo online. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.